Croeso i'r adran Ffiseg. Fy enw i yw Penny Jones a fi yw pennaeth yr adran Ffiseg. Hi, welcome to the Physics Department. My name is Penny Jones and I'm the head of the Physics Department.
Am dewis ffiseg. I gael dealltwriaeth o'r byd materol, mae'n hanfodol i ffyniant y byd yn y dyfodol ac agor amrywiaeth o eang o gyfleoedd ar gyfer graddau prifysgol ac opsiynau gyrfa. Why choose physics? Well, it provides an understanding of the material world, scientific understanding is changing our lives, and it opens a vast range of opportunities for both university degrees and career options. Ym mlwyddyn 12, mae amrywiaeth o destunau ddiddori disgyblion. Mae dwy uned, mae uned 1 yn ymdrin â thestunau fel egni, ser ac adeilad niwclear. Yn uned 2, cafodd gyfle i ymdrin â thonau, gola a thrydan. In Year 12, there are a wide variety of topics to interest students. There are 2 units. Unit 1 covers topics like energy, stars and fundamental particles, whilst Unit 2 gives them the opportunity to study the nature of waves, light and electricity. Ym mlwyddyn 13, mae 2 uned arall. Mae uned 3 yn ymdrin ac damcaniaethau nwyol ac natur dadfeiliad yn byddodrol. Cawn gyfle yn uned 4 i ddeall electromagnetedd a'r deddfais am orbit planedau a ser. In Year 13, there are also 2 units. In Unit 3, they study the behaviour of gases and understand the nature of radioactive decay, whilst Unit 4 gives them the opportunity to understand electromagnetism and the laws governing orbits of planets and stars. Bydd disgyblion yn datblygu sgiliau mathemategol, amrywiaeth o dechnegau ymchwiliol ac ymarferol, a hefyd yn datblygu eu sgiliau datrys problemau a rhesymu, sef sgiliau sy'n cael eu werthfawrogi yn fawr gan gyflogwyr. Students will develop mathematical skills, investigative and practical techniques, and problem-solving and reasoning skills, which are skills that are highly valued by employers. Dwi'n gweithio na fel a hefyd ydy, cos ti'n gwallu gweld. Mae 2 arholiad ysgrifenedig ar ddiwedd blwyddyn 12. There are 2 written examinations at the end of Year 12. Mae 2 arholiad ysgrifenedig ar ddiwedd blwyddyn 13. There are 2 written examinations at the end of Year 13. Mae 1 arholiad ymarferol. There is 1 practical examination. Cymwyster safon uwch ffiseg ac o'r nifer o lwybrau gyrfa mewn meddygaeth, peirianneg ac egni adnewyddadwy. An A-level in physics can open up a wealth of career paths in medicine, engineering and renewable energy. Mae'n annog disgyblion ym mlwyddyn 12 i gymryd rhan mewn prosiect gyda cwmnïau fel Airbus a Tata Steel, ble mae'n cael cyfle i ddatrys problemau. We encourage students in Year 12 to take part in a project where they have the opportunity to work with companies like Airbus and Tata Steel to solve real-world problems. Y tîm yma y profiad o gydweithio gyda Airbus ym mrychdyn ar brosiect heriol. This team had the opportunity to work with Airbus in Broughton on a challenging project.
Enw ni ydi Carl Thatcher, dwi'n athro ffiseg yn ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. Dwi hefyd yn trefnu trip i Swistig i ymweld â llyfr fel CERN i weld y Large Hadron Collider a hefyd i weld T. Einstein a Cam Cedra efo lle ar weithio pan oedd o'n byw yna yn 1992. Hi, my name is Carl Thatcher. I teach physics here at Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. I also organised the Switzerland trip to visit CERN and the Large Hadron Collider, and also we visit Einstein's house and the science museum there dedicated to his life's work.
Dyma y myfyrwyr a aeth ar daith i CERN yn y Swistir yn 2019. These are the students who went to CERN in Switzerland in 2019. Profiadau byddwch yn cofio am byth. Experiences you'll remember for the rest of your life. Os da chi isio her, dewiswch ffiseg. If you want a challenge, choose physics. Diolch am wylio. Croeso i chi gysylltu'r adran os oes gennych unrhyw gwestiynau. Thanks for watching. You're welcome to contact the department if you have any questions.